Hello everyone, my name is Raul Flores. Our topic that we are doing is about flashcards, and I will be showing the background, purpose, planning process, and the struggle and challenges. The background. Flashcards have a great reputation as one of the most effective ways of studying and maintaining that knowledge. They are simple, effective, and versatile. Purpose. To create a user-friendly interactive study tool to aid students from different levels of education by improving their memorization skills, consequently maximizing their academic success. Planning process. How is the user going to input his questions and answers? First, we created the GUI that creates the flashcards. Then we have an area to input the question and answer. After that, there is an option to add another flashcard. So you can input as many flashcards as you like. After you're done, you save the flashcards into a text file. How is the user going to use his flashcards? We create a GUI that will display the flashcards that were made. Then it opens the flashcard in a text file in the GUI, and it will only display the question only. So after you review the question and take a guess, you click the show answer button and see if you got it right. Then you can go to your next flashcard and do the same. Struggles and challenges. We had a hard time building a GUI since it is the first time that we're doing one. We had some help from the internet. In this slide, there are some pictures of 2 source codes from the internet that helped us build our GUI based on our needs. Some other problems that we had was loading the cards into the flashcard player, and also figuring out how to save file and load the array of cards. We did use code reference online and YouTube.
The first part of our program is this flashcard builder. Using the following components, we're able to take user input, write that input into a text file, and then the text file can be saved by the user onto their computer so that they can then load into our flashcard player so that they can view the flashcards. This is the code for the flashcard builder. First, we have the next card listener class. This handles the button being pressed. So when the user clicks on the button, the flashcard object is created with the question and answer text in it, and it stores that object onto the card list array. Then it clears the card, so it'll clear the text so that the user can input a new flashcard. Next, we have the save file. This is where we're writing the input by the user onto the text file. So we're using the buffered writer method, which writes text to character. And we're using this because it's very efficient for writing array strings and characters, which is exactly what we're using. And what this does is it'll write it in the following format. So it'll do the question followed by a backslash, then followed by the answer. And we're doing this specifically, and you'll get to see why in the next couple of slides. And finally, we have the save menu listener. This is for the menu bar up top. So when the user presses file, they'll get a little drop down menu. They'll be able to press save, and then that'll pop open a window for the user to save the file onto their computer.
GUI Flash Player Progress. We created another GUI to display the flashcards created by the user. We use similar concepts as the Builder GUI. In the JFrame, we have Flashcard Player, In the J menu bar, we put the file option. Inside it, we have the file chooser, which allows the user to load the text file into the player. In J button, the button component allows the user to see show answer. For the scroll pane, we put the scroll vertically down if the text is longer than the text area. This is some of our code from the player program. In the top code, it gets the current card and shows the user the answer after clicking on Show Answer button. The button label will change to Next Card if there are more cards. If not, then the button will be disabled and the message will appear in the text area. That was the last card. In the code below, we created an object that is passed by through the buffer reader. Here it will keep reading the cards if there's any available. Here's some more code from the player. In the top code, it splits the string line at the /. We set the left part, which is the question, to index 0, and the right part to index 1, which is the answer. So this allows the program to differentiate which is the question and which is the answer. In the code below, we put our next card into current card. It will get and display the text of the next card in the text area. This would just show the user the new question. And the button text is set to show answer, and when clicked it will show the current card's answer.